Welcome to our channel. Today. We will guide you through the easy process of verifying your Honeygain account, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Honeygain account is essential to unlock all the benefits and maximize your earnings. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide to help you verify your account quickly and hassle-free. First, after creating your Honeygain account, check your registered email inbox for the verification email. Make sure to look in the spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your primary inbox. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This link confirms your ownership of the email address and activates your account for usage. If the email verification link does not work or expires, request a new verification email through the Honeygain website login page. Once your email is verified, proceed to add additional security measures if available, such as enabling two-factor authentication to protect your account. Next, some users may need to verify their identity depending on Honeygain's security policies or payout methods. This can involve submitting identification documents like a government-issued ID or passport photo uploaded in the profile verification section. Ensure your documents are clear and legible. After submitting the required documents, patiently wait for Honeygain's verification team to review and approve your submission. This process can take a few hours to several days, depending on the volume of requests. To check your verification status anytime, log into your Honeygain account and navigate to the verification or account settings section. Maintaining an up-to-date email and profile information will help streamline communication and verification in the future. Remember, completing this verification process not only secures your account, but also enables you to withdraw your earnings seamlessly without interruption. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be able to enjoy all the features Honeygain offers. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful guides and tips.